Hey guys, Jeff here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an outdoor light even after the power line's been cut. Yep, some things you learn the hard way. This is not DIY, this is DI disgusting. I don't even have a set screw in here. Let's get the glass out of here so then I can be a little bit more liberal in beating the tar out of it without worrying about slicing my fingers in. There we go. There we are. This will be a game changer. If I have to, I can pull out a Sawzall and cut the top of the post right off. Nasty. Yeah, I know some of you have said I sound like red green, but the truth is I'm not a big fan of duct tape. It is such a temporary fix. It shouldn't be left for years. This does not say welcome to my home. This says get the hell out, doesn't it? So I got one Phillips screw into what? I have no idea. Not attached, okay. And then 1/4 inch drive. Yep, be careful. That's it, that's what this is. Just jimmy rigged. Okay, I'm gonna take the neutral wire off. Okay, and just bend it over so the wire doesn't disappear on me. Now I got the light switch off, but when you see stuff like this, don't take anything for granted. Assume it's live power, okay? So here we go. We're gonna assume it's live power. Now, this could be live, and this white wire might be cut heading back to the house. So you turn the switch on, the light doesn't work. That's a possibility. So, we'll cut the copper, put a moret, and it's gonna bond, grab really good to the black casing around that wire. Now I've guaranteed that's not going to be a problem. So now we're going to leave that there like that. We're going to try to identify how this is mounted. It might just be super old and need a good butt kicking. Yep, that's all it is. Make sure that my wire going down through that hole. Okay, out with Count Dracula, just in case. Why not? Let's cut the white as well. In case somebody decided to wire the light backwards at the switch. You never really know. Whenever you see something homemade wiring like this, it's not a good sight. Now we're gonna push these down because I'm not gonna be an electrician. The only thing left to do is to confirm if this is an industry standard 3-inch post. Boom, chaka-laka. We're in business. Most of the posts in the business are 3-inch. Okay, here we go. Hammer. That is really messed up. All right. So before I put the new light on, I want to paint my post. High performance enamel. Okay, 10-15 minute dry. Flat black instead of glossy. All right. Sometimes a little spray paint is all you need. Go from old and ugly to brand new and sexy. Remember, paint doesn't just make things look pretty, it protects the materials from the sun and the weather. So painting is just as much about maintenance as it is about finishing the project. If you're not painting something every year at your house, something is gonna start to break down, decay, rot, be exposed to moisture that shouldn't be. It's a lot easier to add paint. If you have wooden windows, for instance, every 5 years, give them another shot of paint. Don't wait 15 or 20 and then try to fix them because you're gonna be digging it all apart. You're gonna be sanding it down, grinding it, and using plastic wood and Bondo and all kinds of filler agents and trying to salvage something that just got destroyed. Protection is easier to maintain than replacement. No, this is not a sponsor for the day. This is just something we bought off the internet. Gotta love Amazon for that, right? Oh, cute little eagle. Love it. There we go. Something rolling around inside. No instructions. I appear to have 4 harnesses, 4 panels. So that obviously goes to the 4 panels. I have an on-off switch for low and high, 3 locations. Let's make sure that each of these locations will find metal. I'm not super impressed with the quality of this product, but you know, hey, you buy it on Amazon, you gamble. Hell, you buy it at Home Depot, you're gambling, I guess, eh? Okay, so that screw, I can't even get a screwdriver in. That's why I love this knife. If you leave the snap below the edge, this becomes a screwdriver because you can use the blade itself as a screwdriver. Make sure all 3 of the set screws are retracted somewhat before we try to jam it into place. Okay, now we can measure off. Yeah, it should come down about the same location as the last one. Okay. we'll just get aggressive. Only so aggressive you can get, eh? We'll tighten up the set screws and call that a day. This thing came just destroyed, right? Like, look at this. All the clips are broken on it. Like, there's not a single spot where this is actually attached. Oh my God. And the lead here is so short. Let's get that back on. Okay. Now, I think I figured it out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bead of clear silicone on this and let it dry overnight because all of the connections here are broken from shipping. I'm gonna put some silicone on this. I'm gonna leave it outside, charge it up, and then tomorrow I'll put the finishing touches on it. You'd be amazed what a little bit of clear silicone can do to save your bacon when you're buying plastic products from overseas. So let's just get this sat up here. Okay.